In this video, we will learn about how to download world boundary data for country level. For that, let's search public open data soft and go for the public.opendatasoft.com. Click on the first link. Now you can search here for world administrative data. The best matches is here. World administrative boundaries, countries and territories. We will use world administrative boundaries countries. You can get the information from here. And to download this dataset, go to the export button and you can download GeoJSON, Shapefile, KML, FlatGeo, FGB and GPX. Let's download the shapefile for the whole dataset. Click on the download link. Click save. The data is downloaded. And if we want any individual country's dataset to be downloaded, then we can go for preferred term and click on more. Let's download the data for United States of America. Click on the link. And now we can download the selected records. Go to the shape file and select only the one selected record. If you select the whole dataset will be downloaded again. Let's click on the selected one records and save. The dataset is downloaded again. Let's click on the show in folder. The world administrative boundary countries, this one is for whole world. You can see the size is bigger, and another one is for United States of America's boundary. Let's extract the boundaries for whole. The file is extracted. We can open this shapefile in QGIS, ArcGIS or any other GIS software. We will use QGIS here. Let's open QGIS. The QGIS is opened. Let's drag the boundary shapefile to QGIS. You can drag this file or you can open data from layer, add layer, add vector layer. Search for the dataset. World administrative boundaries and select the extension with .ssp and add. Close this dialog. Our world boundary is opened here. If we want, we can categorize the countries to show the different color for different countries. We can also open the dataset we have downloaded for United States. This one is for United States boundary. Let's extract this. And rename this US boundary. We can open this from layer, add layer and add vector layer. We can also open this from the data source manager toolbar. Click on open data source manager and then click on the vector tab if it is not opened. And then search for US boundary and select the shapefile. Open, add and close. The both are named similar. We can rename this US boundary, and this is the boundary for United States. This is only the country boundary for United States. If you want, we can also download the states boundary. Let's search for US states. Let's click on the first one. It includes the state's name. Information, you can see the information. Publisher is US Department of Commerce, US Census Bureau, Geography Division, Special Data Collection and Products Branch. Let's download this dataset. Save. Open. Extract all and extract. And the data is extracted. We can drag this shapefile to our QGIS. The states for United States of America is loaded. Now we can categorize this symbology so that different states will be shown in different colors. Click on categorized and state name, classify. Random colors could be anything and apply. Okay. We can change the colors as well or invert color ramp, apply. Okay, let's change this to different something between turbo or blues apply. Okay, from this we can see the attribute table. This is the state name. We can extract or filter any state by the column and value. In our next videos, we will see how to filter this using the name. Thanks for watching.